There's one. That's a nice one. That's a nice fish, whatever this is. There we go. Love to see this. Oh man, this is a big boy. Whoa. Holy sh. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be fishing some local ponds and rivers. Hopefully we're going to catch some bass, maybe some northern. So I'll keep you guys posted and stay tuned. Back up over here. Let's see what we got. Alrighty. See what we can do here. Directly into the wind. Oh, got one. Look at this. There we go. Little northern pike. Just a tiny little guy. Holy shoot. Hold on, guy. It's super true. This could set a record for world's smallest northern. There you go, guys. There he is. Little baby northern. Man, what a pretty fish. It's probably my PB on smallest fish as a northern. I mean, this thing's tiny. All right, we'll let him go. Hopefully it grows and gets a little bit bigger. So first fish of the day finally. Hoping to catch some more here. I mean, that's pretty bad, but at least we caught something. We didn't get skunked, so we'll get back to it and see what else we can catch. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we're at the second spot. It's looking money. Hopefully we catch something. I don't know. It's been pretty slow today, which kind of sucks, but you know, it is what it is. It's fishing. So hopefully I can catch a few more for you guys. And there's some kick up right down here, so maybe there's a fish down here. I also might have to change up some lures here and there, try something different. Yeah, let's see here. Cast along here. Oh, there's one. There we go. That's a good fighter. There we go. Nothing wrong with that. Nice little smallie. That's how we like to start it off. See, just switching up some spots here and there, and that's a nice smallmouth bass. There you go, you guys. Alright, we'll give him a little release here. Off he goes. Yeah, that's awesome. That's a good start. So first cast at this spot. Well, over here. I tried a little bit over there, but first cast in this spot, we caught one. So I'm liking that already. Hopefully we can get some more here. Put you guys back up here. Alrighty. We don't mind that. Trying to avoid those a little bit, but just caught on some more here. Oh, I think something just swatted at it. I can't tell. It's hard to tell. Might have been. Try to give it a little cast over here. Slow it down. There's one. That's a nice one. That's a nice fish, whatever this is. There we go. Love to see this. Oh man, this is a big boy. Whoa. Holy sh. Look at the size of this northern. Whoa. Just had to make sure I was recording. This thing is a beast. Look at this thing. Oh man, it's a nice looking fish. Let's see if I can come and grab him here. Come on, buddy. There we go. Holy sh! This thing's huge. Holy cow, this is an absolute monster. See, before I saw something kick up over there and thought it was something. Look at this monster. Absolute pig of a northern. Wow, that's a beautiful fish. He's a slimy son of a gun. Man, that's at least, I gotta say, that's close to 25, 26 inches. So he's a nice looking fish. Man, oh man. Absolute river monster. That's what we like to see, boys. Get a little release on him. He's gone. Well guys, that just made the video 10 times better. I was coming into this, I've been already at one private pond. I've been at 2 different spots on the river, and I only caught one tiny little northern. I mean, like, tiny. And now I've casted, what, 4 times, and I've caught 2 fish that were really nice sized. I mean, that northern was definitely pushing 25, 26 at least. So I mean, that is awesome. I'm hyped now, you know. And like, this spot usually is a lot shallower, but since it rained lately, it rained a ton, so now the water's come up quite a bit. So I mean, it's gonna be able to hold more fish here, so that's always a bonus. Oh, got one. Oh, missed him. Unless that was weeds. Might have been weeds. Yeah, I think there's a weed patch right out there on that point. But man, that's crazy, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you guys could go drop down below and like and subscribe, that would mean a ton to us. We've been working our butts off lately. You know, we've been trying to get out as many videos as we can for you guys, but it's been tough. We're working crazy hours right now, and it was finally a nice day where I could get out and do some fishing. So I mean, we did pretty good, so I'm not too mad. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video.